Hi guys, hope you all are doing well and welcome back to my channel. It's currently 3 a.m. and I was really bored, so I thought why not come have a chit chat sesh with you guys and do some makeup. I also have some new products that I've been loving, so I'm gonna show them to you guys. I'm gonna do a quick natural look, nothing too difficult. It's gonna be some quick simple glam with my favorite products. I just washed my face and now I'm gonna apply some skincare real quick. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply the MyGlamm 15% Vitamin C Brightening Serum. I'm gonna take a few drops and apply it onto my skin by dabbing it into the skin. Next I'm gonna go in with the Pixi Vitamin C Caviar Balm. This Vitamin C Caviar Balm is an absolute must-have. I love it so much, you guys. It keeps my skin so hydrated, and this is something I ideally use in the night, but I love using it as a base under makeup because it makes everything go on so smoothly once you apply it. I'm gonna go in with the MyGlamm Tinted Perfection Primer, leave it on for a minute, and then follow it up with the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD to cover up my dark circles. After applying this, I usually prefer more coverage, so I go in with the Morphe Full Coverage Concealer. I'm just gonna apply it right here and right here. A little bit of this concealer goes a very long way, so just go easy on it and blend it out really well. I'm gonna go in with the MyGlamm Pose HD Bronzer Duo. I like the darker shade, so I'm gonna use that to bronze up my skin a little bit. Then I'm gonna go in with the MyGlamm Pose HD Blush Duo. I love these shades mixed up, they look so beautiful. I'm gonna go in with the MyGlamm Pose HD Highlighter Duo. I absolutely love this one, especially this golden shade. It's like the most perfect, beautiful gold. I'm gonna apply some lip liner. This is the MyGlamm Lit Matte Lip Liner. Then I'm gonna go in with some lipstick. This is the MyGlamm Ultimatte Lipstick. I'm gonna follow this up with some mascara and some eyebrow gel. And that's it. You can do this look in just 5 minutes. Alright guys, this is the final look and I'm absolutely loving it. It looks so natural and beautiful. You guys have to try out this look on your own. You can use any products you want. It doesn't necessarily have to be the same, but follow the same steps and you can get this easy natural beat. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and I will see you guys in the next one. I love you all so much. Mwah.